back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different here on my channel. We're going to be doing a new series called Books and Beauty. Obviously by the name, I'm going to be doing looks based off books. So yeah, this is something that's, I don't know if anyone's actually done anything like this before. Yeah, this is something a little bit different. So the book that I'm going to be doing my look of today is the first Harry Potter book. Sorry, this is a very old version. All my other books are the new versions. Yeah, so this is the classic version. Yeah, so I hope you like the video. Let's get into it. Okay guys, I've just zoomed you in a little bit closer so you can really see. I already have done with off camera. So yeah, I've already primed my eyelid as well. And already set it. So yeah, so I'm firstly going to be taking the Morphe E27 E28 palette. I'm going to be taking the shade, so I'm taking the shade Universal on my Morphe E27 brush. So I'm just going to pop that in my crease area. Please ignore my eyebrows. I'm trying to grow them out as much as I can. Just take some more product. Again, just keep in the outer portion. Again, just kind of bringing it into the inner part of my lid. And just blending it out. Make sure it's nice and blended. Just kind of go in more with like a lighter hand towards like the edges. I'm going to take the next shade from the 35B palette. This is more of like a pinky red, I would say. I'm just going to put that on the outer portion of my eye. Going in small circular motions and then back and forth just to help build it up. I've only dipped my brush in once. That might be all that you need for this particular shadow. Sorry, I am using the Morphe E28 brush as well. I love Morphe brushes, so taking my first brush, which is the E27 brush, just kind of like blend out the edges. You don't want it to be too harsh. So again, just keep blending as much as you can. And then just gonna take the shade Fire from the Morphe 3502 palette. I always seem to mess this part up, so I'm using the shade Sparks Fly from Sophs palette from Makeup Revolution. It's like a gorgeous gold shade. I'm just going to pop that on my lid. Any products that I do use as well, I'll leave in the description bar. the same brush again that I've been using for the reddy pink shades, well, the red shade. Then I'm going to use the Morphe E28 brush. I'm just going to kind of blend it together just so it's not as harsh. I'm just going to put some concealer on underneath my eye. I'm just going to be using the Tarte shape again. Okay, so now that I've done my concealer and also put some mascara on my top lashes, I'm just going to use the 35B palette again, and the blue shade in there, and I'm just going to run that underneath my lower lash line. I'm just using an Urban Decay brush to do this, just from one of the palettes. I'm just going to be taking the electric palette from Urban Decay. I don't know if this is still available or not. I don't believe that it is, but if it is, go and get it because it's amazing. I'm just going to be taking the shade Chaos from that palette, just to add a bit more of like an electric kind of blue to it. You don't have to do this step, but I'm just going to take the Voss Nicol Concilio palette, and I'm just going to take the shade Pinky, which is like, because the other two shades were like matte. This is just a bit flaky. I'm just going to take the collection glitter liner in the shade Funk. It's like the gold one. I'm just going to put this slightly on, like, in the inner part of my lid, literally just about here. Just a smidge. And then also just the front part of that blue. For my inner corner and brow bone highlight, I'm going to be taking Nylon from MAC. For my bottom lashes, I'm going to be taking the MAC False Lash Extreme Black Mascara. This is just a tester, but I love using it for my bottom lashes, and I'm pretty sure Jaclyn Hill used it as well. Okay, so this is the finished eye look. I'm just going to do the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll come back and do the lips. Okay, so now that I've finished off the rest of my face, of course I'll link everything down below in the description box. For lips, I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal lipstick in the shade 461. There you go, just in case you want to know. I thought I would just finish off the look nicely as I have got my red eyes. So guys, this is the finished look. Of course I'll be doing more looks like this in my books and beauty section on my channel. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!